Say hi, awesome neighbor.
Hey. Yeah, thank you.
You kind of got blocked here. Oh yeah. This is awesome neighbor's driveway. Look at that. God, that's a big tree. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah. All right, we got awesome neighbors drive clear. There were 5 trees down. We had biggest one. So, and then this poor guy over here. We thought this was the redbud, one of his big redbuds, but luckily it's not one of the redbuds. But I'm not sure what tree this is, but still, look at that. Oh, that's so sad. But that other house should be okay. It'll heal itself. But we're gonna go ahead and get this cut too, because this is dangerous. I'm gonna get this taken care of for awesome neighbor. So, same team out here, man. Same team. Yeah.
Did you walk all the way home, baby?
Yeah.
Oh, I got tired of Papa getting my shoe.
She has sandals on, yeah.
And then
That's
I was
why.
like, you know what? I'll just brown my happy ass all the way home. I saw you from a distance. I was down by the garden walking by. Almost.
So, just started out here on our property, on the farm, and I want to show you this. Now that we're out here really working, it's a little emotional. because we had so much damage to such beautiful trees. But this tree fell here. Actually, let's start on the other side. I want to show you this. So that tree fell here. Look, that's our peach tree that we planted. And then you go around, look, this is a peach tree that we planted. It saved the peach trees. So something. But we have a lot of damage and we're gonna start cleaning it up. So here we go. Oh no.
These are my cats, okay.
Oh yeah.
It's not working on her, baby. Nezzy!
Is it dead?
No, I didn't tie it. I put it on tight. It's not working on her.
That's one I gave them this morning. That one there, I gave them that this morning. It's gone. Now look at Jackson. That's apple tree he's eating.
Hi, Nezzy.
My blade's already gone.
Is it gone? Yeah.
Not the branches, baby.
God damn. Hey, Brad. Hey, pick that up again real quick.
Hey, we missed the shot.
Well, I missed the shot, man.
Can't do it. Don't have the power.
We're done, bro. We're done for today, man. We're done.